Google Scholar is a search engine developed by Google that allows users to search for scholarly literature, including articles, theses, books, conference papers, and technical reports. The search results include items from a wide range of academic disciplines and sources, such as universities, research institutions, and professional societies. Google Scholar uses a web crawler to index scholarly literature and uses algorithms to rank the search results based on factors such as relevance, credibility, and the number of citations. The search engine also allows users to set up alerts for new articles and papers on specific topics, and it allows users to search for specific authors or papers that have been cited by other papers. Users can also access their own library's resources via Google Scholar. They need to configure their library's settings in Google Scholar. It allows users to access the full-text articles from their library's subscriptions. Overall, Google Scholar is a valuable tool for researchers, students, and anyone who needs to find scholarly literature on a specific topic.